Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the first challenge prompt for this month, that word being breakfast. Great, the day I didn't eat any breakfast is the day I have to paint some breakfast. Coming into this piece, I really wanted to try to make this feel slightly realistic, but still hold that really pretty watercolor look that you can get. I started out by slowly working out the light areas with the pencils, and then slowly brought out more of the darker cooked look that are in the toast and the bacon. It was actually really rough making this piece because I really was super hungry when I first started making this piece, but thankfully I didn't cave to my hunger and was able to finish this piece without any problem. But I will be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word breakfast. Now, I think this turned out really good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!